Hi everyone, I'm John Newman, this is HowEasy, and today I will show you how to create screenshot. Enjoy! Today I have really easy example how to make a screenshot on your computer with Windows 10 or older. Easily just hit print screen. After open paint.exe, you can find it here and write paint.exe and hit enter, and now easily just hit Ctrl V and you get print screen of your desktop. Now you can select it, hold what you need, put it on the left side, resize it. After, just hit File, Save, and we made easily screenshot on our computer without any software. It was all for today. If you like this video, give me a like or comment or subscribe my channel, and stay tuned because in next videos I will show you more life hacks. Ciao.